Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a list and a cell ready. Now make the list reliable. First, place choices in one contiguous column and give it a name via formula's define name. This makes it easy to reference. Then select the cell where you want the drop-down and open data validation. Make sure Allow is set to List so Excel knows you want a selectable list, and then point the source to your named range. This links the control to your options. Once you choose List, you must tell Excel why and how to validate. Set source to equals your named range so changes to the source automatically update options. Make sure in cell dropdown is checked so the arrow appears. Then optionally add an input message to guide users and an error alert to block invalid entries. For dependent dropdowns, use indirect to reference a second named range based on the first selection. Because that dynamic lookup lets related choices update instantly without extra macros. Now finalize. Test the drop-down by selecting entries and then change an item in the source to confirm it refreshes. Copy the validation to other cells using paste special validation so rules replicate without altering content. If you want to prevent edits, lock the validated cells and protect the sheet. Make sure named ranges are workbook scoped for broad use. Troubleshooting tip. If the drop-down fails, check for stray blanks, wrong scope on the name, or an incorrect equals sign in the source. Correct those and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.